welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and trying on for you guys some products that were sent to me by Micas. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. Okay, so I've got 9 pieces here for us to try. This is what the packaging looks like. It just comes in these little eco-friendly bags. I see these a lot of times now from a lot of stores I like to shop at, and I'm very happy about it. We love the planet here. But yeah, so it just says Micas on both sides, and then tells you what this bag's made of. So I picked this stuff out, but I've never tried this store before, so we're gonna see if it's giving. I, believe it or not, do not have just like a simple little black dress, so that's why I bought this. I really hope this fits. I don't have a mirror in here. I tried to step out of the box and not buy as much black as I usually do, but like, no promises, you know, because black is just superior. So this is like I think it's a pea leather halter top. I live for halter tops, and I don't know, I just thought it was different. I've never really seen anything, personally, I would say, that looks anything like this. So I don't know, I just thought it was cool. It's probably very basic, but it's cute to me. So yeah, this should be fairly simple. I'm concerned, I guess I would say I'm the most concerned about this area here, because if it doesn't fit right, it doesn't fit right. This is another top. I think this is a corset top. The only thing that stresses me out about this already is the fact that you're gonna have to tie the strings, and it's not gonna give really, unless you have somebody help you tie it. But yeah, just this little corset top. I feel like this is cute. But yeah, I like this a lot. I think it'll be cute if it fits right. Again, if it don't fit it, don't fit it. Next up is this top. This just gives me Monsters Inc. vibes. I like hope you understand what I'm saying when I say Monsters Inc. It just like, I'm Sally. It's so cute. So yeah, I love a little sweater crop top, by the way. My strawberry crop top that I wear a lot, the pink one, looks just like this. I'm obsessed. But the important thing to note about these kind of tops is they gotta be right in terms of the elastic and where they hit on you. Like, because if they a little too high and you move, it's a wrap. But if it hits like in the right place and the elastic is good quality, we got ourselves a top. This is another little corset top. Hold on, let me. Were they supposed to give me something with this? Oh, I gotcha. This comes with these chain straps. So let me put these on really quick. These clip on. Does that look right? Okay, so I got this corset top. I just thought it would be really pretty, so I hope. Stop. So I hope that I have to wear my hair in a particular way. I hope that I'm able to bring this together. I don't really know how I'm going to style it just yet. Oh wait, this is another dress that I just thought I would buy for the sake of having another dress. So yeah, this is another dress that I would just thought I would get for the sake of having another dress. I mean, I think it'll be cute. I think it's gonna give. This is another dress. This is a hot girl fit. Cut out. It's got lots of cutouts. It's cute though. It's black, of course. It's ribbed. Yeah, I like it. I'm not sure. It feels stretchy enough. We'll see. This is where I could feel like it could get more. I have a big head, I think. Yeah, so now I'm looking at this. I think this is the front and this is the back. I don't know. So we got this crop top. It says women don't owe you, because we don't. And it's cute. Like, I like snarky crop tops in general. I have this top from when I went to Houston for the first time, and it says I'm a big fan of space, both outer and personal. I like kind of stuff like that. Sassy. Okay, I don't remember this very much, but this is kind of like a little, honestly, it's giving me Xenon. It's kind of, their tags are cute, actually. But yeah, so a little bit of Xenon, but it's got like a big cutout. I think, actually, maybe if I could say more modern, it reminds me of Diesel. It's got like a cutout, and then it's like the asymmetrical cut with the contrast stitching. So very cute, we love that. Okay, so that's everything. So now I'm going to try things on by styling them. So let's get into it. So this is the top. I got it on with these pants that I got from Minimal. And let me just tell you why it's not giving. Like I said earlier about the top, it has to like come a certain length down. It has some good elastic. It has neither of those things, so I feel like as I move, it raises up more and more, which, yeah, I could tape it, but I don't feel like I should have to do all those enhancements to clothes. Like, I feel like they should just be right when you buy them. So, yeah. But I also don't remember getting this piece. Like, I don't remember requesting it. So I don't know why I received it. I bet if I look back in my email, I asked for it. But I don't know. I'm a little disappointed in it. But I will find it a good home. Okay, this is a good fit. Okay, it is just the perfect amount of tight that it fits like a sports bra. And that's what I like about it. So I'm styling it with these jeans. I did not look at the tag before I put them on. I'll put in the description where they're from. Yeah, so to be honest, I'm pretty obsessed with this. This is a super chill fit. I probably actually wear this with, like, coincidentally, I do not have a pair of Air Forces at this time, and I would need to go get them. Actually, I need to get a lot of stuff, but I digress. So I would probably pair them with my Air Forces, although, I mean, I could also pair them with any of my, like, my Medium Force sneakers here. It really doesn't matter, to be honest. I feel like you can pair them with a lot. I also almost styled these with these like orange pants I got from ASOS a while back. I think it would also look cool with that because, you know, brown and orange look good together. But yeah, so I definitely like this top. Like I said, it fits just the right amount of tight. Like, I'm not like being choked out or suffocated, but it fits enough that it like a sports bra. Like, you love the compression of a good sports bra. Like, you feel like you never have to worry about anything moving while you're moving. Like, it's elite, it's top tier. So this is A+ for this. And then of course it says one of the only like, because we don't. Okay, no, but seriously, this top might have been the best thing that I bought. Like, this top is just giving me everything it needs to give. Like, it's so cute. So I styled it with this little mini skirt. I say skirt. I call it a skirt. It's actually shorts. So that's why I love it, because it's super short, but it has shorts with it. I usually wear shorts with my skirts, no matter how long or short they are, but I don't have to with this because it brought the shorts for me. And then I styled with my Demonia boots. I don't remember which one these are, but I'll put it in the description. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this, and if you see me in this soon, mind your business. So I've got this corset top on, and it's actually better than I expected. So you do have to lace it up in the back here. And then also I tie the straps differently. I'm not a fan of having to tie straps like this onto my shoulders. I find it doesn't work for me. I know it's a very pretty look, but if I don't have anybody with me, I'm not able to do it. It just, one, is always too tight, too loose, it's not right. So I don't know if someone has an art to doing that, but I don't know the time. And I also want to say the straps are very good quality. Like, they're not like the ones you have to like really pull them tight and they still come loose. Like, these are tight. Like, if I was tightening it, I was like, oh, corset. Like, these are tight. I think this is so pretty. And if I was gonna buy anything from their site at this time, I would buy this in the other color. It's really, really cute. And there's lots of ways to style this. I wasn't almost sure, like, oh, should I do it with the skirt? But I was gonna do this other top with the skirt. So I'm like, let me try it with the pants. And then I thought about this, but I also thought, oh, I could do brown jeans or I could do white pants. Like, you could really dress it up or dress it down. And I think that's why I'm like obsessed with this one as well. Okay, I was confused putting this on, but it came out quite cute. So y'all know with this, dress it up, dress it down. And yeah, it's very soft. I'll be interested to see how easy it is to get off because it was a little bit of a struggle to get on. But yeah, it's cute. It's form-fitting, fits well, has a lot of stretch to it in certain places. Like the neck could stretch more, this armhole here could stretch more, but this stretches great. So yeah, so it's giving little evening gown, little back dress, going to the gala tonight. Yeah, so this is what it's like. This is what it's looking like. I thought initially it was gonna have like a zip or something. It doesn't. It just has some like really elastic magic. Because when I got right here, I normally step into my clothes. I don't really put my clothes over my head unless the clothes require that. But I pulled it up and I got right about here and I was like, ugh. But got it on. I don't know if it has adjustable straps. I don't think it does. But I didn't need to adjust it. Like it just fits quite perfectly. So 10 out of 10 for that because I don't have a lot of little black dresses. But speaking of little black dresses, the one before this was not easy to get off. Okay, this is dressed. It took a little bit of time again for me to tie it. I hate clothes that you have to tie. It's just stressful on me, honestly, and I don't like it. But it's a very, very cute dress. I would honestly pair this with some heels. I don't know which ones, but it's cute and I like it. And it has a little slip here and a little slip kind of thing here, so you're not like totally sheer. Yeah, I mean, it's a cute dress. This is another outfit that if you see me taking pictures in it, mind your business. So I paired this with my cow boots that I'm so happy I bought, even though I wasn't supposed to be shopping when I bought them. This skirt that I scored at Target yesterday, and it was on sale. And the top. Now let me show you guys. The shoulders are bedazzled, and I clipped it onto the adjustable strap. So if you need to like pull up, which I think I'll do, or if you need to loosen, that's perfect. But yeah, it actually hugs really well. So if you're like me and you step into all your clothes and pull them up, it stretches well enough that you can do that. But yeah, I just feel like this is such a cute little fit. And when I said I didn't know what to pair with, I had this idea immediately pop into my head, and it's actually iconic. So yeah, another fit you will absolutely see me taking pictures in very, very soon, because this is just giving. Like I have to drive out to the desert and take some epic shots because this is like, it's really giving. And that is everything that was sent to me that I picked out by Micas. So I will include all the information on these pieces down below in the description box, as well as a little discount code for you guys, so you guys can shop, check it out, see if you want to get some pieces like the ones I showed you in this video. Thank you so much to Micas for allowing me to choose some products. As you can see, I am obsessed. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.